All right, guys, southeast, Softwash. These boys finna roll. They got a long drive. Where's home? Houston, Texas. This man looked like he might have worked a DeWalt drill before. Putting some D-rings on there to haul this Lumimax skid back on the trailer. I like it. Make it secure. How'd we do in the class, fellas?
Awesome.
Pretty good.
Good information.
Pretty good, sir.
What'd you think about the spraying unit right here?
I like it a lot.
So you're gonna go back and make some money. This is really for you, right?
Oh yes, sir.
Yeah,
I'm about to make some money today.
He gonna make some today.
Today, we're not getting home till 1 o'clock in the morning.
I don't know if we're gonna make none
I don't
today.
know if we're gonna make that today. Maybe tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
Let me see, these guys here, some of these folks are not going to do the infield training. I think they may be inside doing some purchasing. Let me talk to this guy here. A lot of these guys got a long drive ahead of them. How'd we do, man?
Dude, it was awesome.
Pretty
I've
good?
been watching the YouTube videos for years, and it's like a dream
It's
come
weird to
true.
say that,
It
years.
is. Yeah,
It
it's like
is. It's
it's
been
almost
years.
like you're a celebrity a
Little
bit.
bit. What do you think? You got a Lumimax Pro.
Yeah.
It's a Dodge, you know. You know how I feel about Dodge. No, but it is a good-looking Dodge.
A little bit, you know.
So, Tennessee,
Yep, I'm in Tennessee, up in the Tri-Cities, East Tennessee.
you gonna make any money with this thing?
Oh, a ton.
Training was okay?
Yeah, it was good.
Cool. Thank you. I'll be back. Talk to me about this skid, bro, before y'all roll out. Look, your name's still on the glass. How'd we do?
Awesome, man. Awesome.
Where's home at?
South Carolina.
Clemson tag. I don't watch football, but I do know the mascots. So, what do you think of this right here? Let's see. Can I open your tailgate? Lumimax Mini Pro. One soft wash right there. One pressure wash system right there. And gonna go back and make some money.
Absolutely.
Feel pretty confident with y'all. So he got the training, the troubleshooting picked up on that pretty quick. So he's looking at it. Thank you for the business, man.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you. We'll let them roll. They got a long ride. They got a long ride. This guy right here don't. He's just going back to Huntsville. Let's talk to these boys. They in Texas too, I think. Dad and son.
Yes, sir.
Give me some feedback. How we do?
Very good. I believe we got good equipment and definitely got quality training.
I
So,
appreciate it.
yes, sir.
Loading up with bleach.
Ready to go make some money.
Right there in that tank. We got them filled up. Got some surfactant. Got some extra hose back there. And where's the house at? Texas?
Longview, Texas. Yes.
Man. Well, y'all can just follow them and tailgate and draft a little bit back and forth.
Well, we got a long drive, so.
That's a long one. Let me talk to Dad over here.
Yes, sir.
How'd we do?
Fantastic.
Did all right?
You bet.
So
Quality people with a high quality product, I would certainly recommend.
we try at it a
Yeah.
little bit. Well, y'all be careful on the way home. Maybe he'll make a bunch of money with this thing and get out.
I expect it.
Where's he working at now?
Texas Eastman.
In the oil or chemical
company.
plant. That's right.
Right.
Well, he ought to have the hookup on bleach.
Yeah, that's right. Thank you.
Let's see. We got some more over here. Let's go talk to Mr. Carl. We got a bunch. We've already had, I think, 2 leave out of here today that didn't take the training. They had already took training a long time ago. Mr. Carl,
Yes, sir.
you win the best looking truck award for today.
Well, thank you.
Let me swap arms. How'd we do on the training piece?
I tell you what, I don't want to say everything everybody else has already said, but this was awesome.
Appreciate it.
It was awesome. It was a joy to meet you and your family, and the story behind it and the business, just awesome.
We
Just
try.
awesome.
We think your quality customers help. What do you think of this mini
Oh, we're
skid
loving it. We're loving it.
plus back here? Got the electric start. Hard to get these right now, guys. The electric versions. They do make a key start kit, but we don't like doing that because you got to mess with a whole bunch of stuff. So, well, let me go talk to. Let's see, we got 2 more, and we're about to go out and do some training in the field in just a few minutes. That's what I'm talking about. 2,500. Give me some feedback, my man. How'd we do?
Class was great. I've been doing research for over a year on YouTube. I mean, that's how I came across your channel. And, you know, the class was just amazing. I mean, there were so many things that I still didn't know.
Yeah.
So, I mean, if you're just getting into it, or if you've already been in it for a while, you know, you're going to learn something today.
We can learn stuff.
Yes, sir.
What do you think about that? Pretty good?
Oh, yeah, man. I'm so happy. It was worth the wait, worth the money.
Yeah.
For sure.
Appreciate it, brother.
Thank you.
Navy
Sure.
guy right there. My brother's in the Army. So I can spot my military guys a mile away most of the time. Some of them are sneaky. Most of the time I can tell who's either LEO or Mill. Let's talk to Terrell right here. He's kind enough. Daggone truck looks too good. I don't like it. I'm a Toyota fan. I like Tundras, but I ain't got no need for one, so I can't justify having another vehicle. How'd we do?
Oh, you did awesome. Y'all should take the class. All the training, all the knowledge that he has is top notch.
Huntsville, so not too far, about 3 hours north of us, so ain't too far away. He's got a nice trailer with a 5.5 gallon a minute. And we're going to use his trailer for the demo today. We appreciate that. So let me make a quick run in here and talk to the Emily and the Jonathan. And listen, if you guys are wanting to pull the trigger, get in business for yourself, we'd be glad to help you do that. So we got another truck over here. I don't know who this is. There's so many folks here today. They're all running together on me. Let's talk to them. The truck's running. I'm assuming somebody's in there. Ah, that's right.
What's up, Cody?
I was like, who's in this truck? People everywhere. How'd we do today?
Did excellent. Training was on point. If you guys are interested in getting into the Softwash business, this is where you need to be.
Appreciate it.
Highly recommend it.
Even got that from the missus. What about the skids? Is it all right?
Oh, it's beautiful.
As advertised.
Oh, yes, sir. Looking forward to getting back home and
Where's home?
making some money. Corpus Christi, Texas.
So we got 2 or 3 Texas folks today. Texas
Yes,
is a big
sir.
place. I'm gonna move to Texas. Hey, Hinderlighter, we're just gonna move out there. We'll load up. I'll be out there in just a second. We'll go do some training. So yeah, lots of equipment rolling out this week, next week as well. We got a pretty good size pickup scheduled for next week. So if you guys are thinking about it, curious about it, to get in on the action, give us a call. 334-863.
There's a possibility that we don't.
I don't know what she's talking about. 0084 anyway. That's the number. What's our phone number? I don't even know.
It is 334-863-0084.
We made that up.
Yeah, I'm
What extension are you?
option 1. So
Like he's number 1.
I mean, that's not like
Yeah, at least you're not number 2.
This is true.
And I don't even know who number 2 is.
Sean.
Is it Sean? Look at his desk versus Jonathan's desk.
He's doing it all the time.
Sales,
counts.
everything else. Did you see that guy's blue Tundra out there?
Yeah.
Terrell's.
Yeah.
It's nice. It is nice. Tundras can go either way. They either look like a pawpaw or they look really sharp. His looks really
Yeah,
sharp.
he had the 4-door, good looking one that was symmetrical.
XSP pack. Don't like it. His looks good. All right, guys, look, we got to go do some training in the field. We'll see you guys next week. Bye.